It is given in this question, 1 liter of glucose solution is isotonic with 15 gram per liter solution of urea. We have to find out the mass of glucose required to produce this 1 liter solution. Isotonic solutions means both the solutions have same osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure can be found out by using the equation pi is equal to C into R into T. Here pi is osmotic pressure, C is the concentration of the solution, R is the gas constant and T is the temperature. Here both the solutions are isotonic means we can write the osmotic pressure of these solutions will be equal. We can represent the glucose solution with the number 1 and that of urea with the number 2. So we can write pi 1 is equal to pi 2. Pi 1 is the osmotic pressure of glucose solution and pi 2 is the osmotic pressure of urea solution. Now we can substitute the value of osmotic pressure in this equation, that is C1RT is equal to C2RT. C1 is the concentration of glucose solution and C2 is the concentration of urea solution. R and T will be same for both the solution because both the solutions are taken in same temperature and pressure. Now we can see the value of concentration. So we can write the RT values will be cancelling each other. So C1 will be equal to C2. It means the concentrations of both the solutions will be equal. In order to find out the concentration, we have the equation C is equal to N divided by V. N is the number of moles of the substance that can be found out by the equation M divided by molar mass. M is the mass of the substance dissolved. Now by substituting the value of N in this equation, we can write the concentration C is equal to the mass of the solute divided by its molar mass into the volume of the solution. Now we can write the concentration for both the solution. Here M is the mass of glucose that to be calculated and 180 is molar mass of glucose. Volume is given as 1 liter and in case of urea, the mass is given as 15 gram per liter. So the molar mass is 60. Now by rearranging this equation, we can find out the mass of glucose M, that is equal to 180 divided by 4, that is equal to 45 gram. Option D is the correct answer.